Inangat ni Ken, pinalo ni Rowie, check ball. All one na po ang ating score. This is a semis match, race to 21. Nice serve by Jacob, nakuha yung bola. Sinit, mid-over, nakuha ni Ken. Sinit, mid-over ulit, buhay pa rin. Tinulak din. Double violation. Score is 2-1 in favor of Team Bagel. Buhay pa rin. Mid-over. Nakuha. Pinalo! Inside! Score is now 3-1. Still in favor of Team Bagel. Ganap sabihin parang you get deja vu. Christmas OD. Nice serve by Jacob. Nakuha yung bola. Inangat. In-over ni number 2. Ay! Score is now 4-1. Jacob still serving. Nakuha yung bola. Inangat yung bola. In-over number 2. Nakuha ni Seth. Sinet. In-over ni Jose. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni number 5. Pumalo si number 9. Buhay pa rin. Sinet ni Ken. Mataw si Rowie. And another point for Team Bagel. Score is now 5-1. Yeah, great sportsmanship.
Christmas OD.
Yan, nakuha yung bola. Inangat ni number 9. Pumalo si number 4. Nakuha ni Ken. Inangat ni Jacob. Binalik ni Rowie. Nakuha yung number 5. Inangat ni 16. Pinalo. Toxic knockout. Score is now 6-1. Lumalayo na ang Team Bagel. Outside. Score is now 6-2. Lamang pa rin ang Team Bagel. Now serving jersey number 16. Service error. Score is now 7-2. Nice serve by Galay. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni 5. Pinalo. Inside. Score is now 7-3. Umahabol ang St. Anthony. Now serving. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni Jacob. Pumalo si Jose. Check ball. Score is now 8-3. Now serving Rowie. Nice serve. Nakuha. Sinet. Pumalo si number 2. Nakuha ni Rowie. Point for St. Anthony. Score is now 8-4. Number 4 serve. Nakuha ni Ken. Sinet ni Jacob. Umataw si Ken. Inside. Score is now 9-4. Lamang pa rin ang Team Bagel. Grabe. Ito ang laban na. Ang laban na to. Pumalo. In-over na pala. Buhay pa rin. Pumalo si Ken. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet ni number 2. Binalik ni 5. Ay, buhay pa rin. In-over ni Rowie. Says still serving. Good serve. Nakuha yung bola. Inangat. Ginover number 5. Nagpigil si number 5 doon. Score is now 12-4. Timeout St. Anthony. Hinangan niyo bola. In-over number 2. Nakuha ni Jacob. Hinangan ni Jose. Pinalo ni Ken. Kaso not over. Service. That's a service ace by jersey number 13. Score is 14-6. Serve, nakuha yung bola, sinet ni Jacob. Bumataw si Kim. Check ball. Score is now 15-6, still in favor of Team Baguelia. Andre on the serve. Service error. Ano yun? Ay, point for Team Baguelia. Rotation error ng St. Anthony. Fine. Yan. So, 16-6 na po ang score. Nice serve by Andre. Sinatin number 5. In-over number 2, nakahabang si Kenton, si Nen. Bumataw! Ball for Team Baguelia. Grabe ka na. Maldito siya. Still the serve, Andre. Nice serve. Nakuha. Service ace by Andre. Score is now 18-6. Still serving, Andre. Oh! Kinapos na. Score is now 18-7. Now serving jersey number 2. Nice serve. Uy, nice save by Nachi. Pinalo ulit. Ay! Ayun lang. Nagkikil siya. Sabi niya, tumayo ka na daw kasi ka. Substitution. Nice serve by Ken. Oy, nice dig. Sinet. Pinover number 9. Going pa rin. Ay! Point for St. Anthony.